Hi y'all, welcome back to Bam Glam DIY. So today I'll be teaching you how to make car scent diffusers. I know you actually buy these in the supermarket or you buy it online, but do you know you can actually make this for yourself? It's an odor control. It's more like an air freshener. You use it to mask unpleasant smells and odor in your vehicle, leaving a very fresh and luxurious fragrance in the vehicle so that when somebody enters your car, it will smell nice, welcoming, and appealing for you, for your husband, for your children, and for anybody that is using the vehicle. So if you have been buying air fresheners from the market, just stay tuned today. I'll be teaching you how to make this yourself. And if you are a student or you are looking for something you can use to make money, you can actually make this and sell to people. You can also make it and gift it to people. Just stay tuned and don't go anywhere. So you've been purchasing this in the market, roughly around 1,500 naira each time. And every time you tell the person, please deliver more, and you don't know you can make it yourself. All the same, these are the things we'll be needing. You need the diffuser bottles. You have to buy it from a shop that sells kind of perfumes. Tell them that you want car diffuser bottles. You can also order it online. You can check on Instagram. There are different places. If you don't know where to get it, just send me a WhatsApp message. Tell me, please, where can I get diffuser bottles? And I will send you a link of where you can buy it from. Most of them are 6 ml to 10 ml range, and they come in different varieties of colors and designs. So depending on the one you want to use, please do the one you want. Then you will need a denatured alcohol base. This denatured alcohol base, you'll be needing it to actually help to diffuse the fragrance or you'll be using. Please do not use methanol. I don't want to see in the comment section, can I use methanol? Please don't use methanol. Buy denatured alcohol. That is what is using in making perfumes. If you don't know how to get it, you can actually make your own denatured alcohol. Is actually a blend of isopropyl alcohol that is being denatured with ethanol. You can make that in your home. You can make that. You can research more about it and make, or you can buy. Then you need your fragrance oils. Some persons make use of already combined fragrance oils with top notes, middle notes, and base notes. Or you can buy single notes, that's single fragrance, lemon, for instance, cherry, for instance, strawberry, banana, lavender, bergamot. You can buy single note fragrance and make use of it. There are some persons that just want citrus flavor. Do you have the one that is lemon? Give me that one. And then you also be needing pipettes. If you don't have the type I'm using, buy syringe. I believe there is a pharmacy store around you. Go there and tell them to give you a 10 ml syringe, a 50 ml syringe, so that you can be using it to actually take the liquid and then put inside your bottle. Funnel cannot work for this, so you need something that you can use that is actually calibrated. I'm mentioning these pipettes and also syringe because they are calibrated in the sense that it has measurements on the body, and there is actually a range or a ratio for this fragrance oil to the denatured alcohol. You can do a ratio of 20:80. You can do 30:70. I have an 8 ml bottle. I'm making use of 2 ml of fragrance and 6 ml of denatured alcohol. Please bear it in mind that it's not about, it's not smelling out, it's not coming out, I want to add more fragrance oil, I want to make my own 50-50. No. Your denatured alcohol base should be very much more than the fragrance oil itself. If not, it will not diffuse. Remember that the covers for these diffuser bottles are porous. They're actually made out of, some of them are made out of bamboo covers. It is wooden. So if you actually remove the cap cover of the bottle and then cover it with this wooden cover, the fragrance will just naturally be, as you are driving and you are shaking, the vehicle is moving left and right, is shaking, the diffuser bottle will be dangling. It will just be diffusing into the atmosphere without you touching it. You need enough alcohol base in the product, in the bottle, so that it can be able to diffuse very well. I hope you understand what I'm saying. If your fragrance oil is more, it will not diffuse well into the atmosphere. You need alcohol to be able to lift the fragrance from the bottle and then into the atmosphere. And your alcohol should be more. I've seen so many formulas on YouTube where the fragrance base is more than the alcohol, and you see people writing some comment that it didn't work out for them. Because why? These fragrance bases are mostly oil kind of base, and they can't diffuse. They will just clog up those your diffuser covers, and then it won't penetrate into the atmosphere. So you need to dilute it enough with a lot of denatured alcohol so that it can diffuse. I hope you understand what I mean. Please take note. You can work with a ratio of 20:80. Your fragrance being 20% of your solution, and then your denatured alcohol being 80%. You can also make use of 30% to 70%. It works very fine. If you're working with one single fragrance, for instance, and you want to make something like a whole 100 ml quantity, that means 30 ml of that portion should be your fragrance, and then 70 ml should be your alcohol. Mix it very well, and then you use your syringe and introduce it into your diffuser bottles, and then you bottle and you label and you set aside. Also bear in mind that you can also color it. You can add different colors. There are so many people out there that color differently. For cherry, they will use pink. For lemon, they will use yellow. For something like cool breeze, they will use blue. Please make it attractive. Make it attractive, and then sell to your friends. Sell to people that you know that have vehicles. They will buy from you. So far is beautiful. They will keep patronizing you. You can also supply to supermarket. It's something you can just add as a side hustle to whatever you are doing. So these are what we use. We use the fragrance oil, the alcohol, the pipettes, and then the diffuser bottles. And tada, we already have our car diffuser scent in our hands. If you want to sell this, you can sell this. I believe the normal selling price in any supermarket is 2,000 naira per bottle. Some maybe 1,000 naira, some maybe 1,500 naira, depending on where you are coming from or where you stay. You can make this and gift to people. You can do it as gift. You can make it as souvenir. You can dash it out. You can make it for business. Please, on my channel, you learn things. You learn how to convert your skills into money. Stay tuned, like my video and subscribe to my channel, and you won't be disappointed. Thank you.